In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Wealthsimple versus Questrade versus Moomoo, three investing platforms Canadian investors are talking about right now. Whether you're just getting started, building wealth for the long run, or looking for trading tools, one of these might be your perfect fit. Let's dive in. Let's begin with Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple has built a strong reputation for being beginner-friendly and very accessible. It offers commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, fractional shares, and a very clean, intuitive mobile interface. Stockbrokers, Com+2 money. K+2, it also has a robo-advisor version and banking-adjacent products, making it feel like an all-in-one financial solution. Forbes+1 on the flip side, if you're looking for deep-dive research tools, advanced charting, or broad asset classes beyond stocks and ETFs, Wealthsimple may feel limited. Some users also report slower support or user issues. Trustpilot, so if you want something very simple, easy to use, and you're focused on building gradually, Wealthsimple is strong. Now, let's move to Questrade. Questrade is a well-established discount brokerage in Canada and offers a lot more power for those willing to dig in. For example, it now provides commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, has a wide variety of account types, TFSARS, PRAS, PSP non-registered, and has more advanced trading platforms. Stockbrokers. Stocks and offers more assets than basic platforms. $1,000,000 Journey +1 the trade-off? It may feel more complex for absolute beginners, and some fees around mutual funds or certain services can still be higher. HelloSafe, so if you're comfortable with a bit more complexity and want more flexibility and control, Questrade is a very good choice. Finally, let's discuss Moomoo. Moomoo is a newer player in Canada but has made a big splash by offering advanced trading features such as real-time Level 2 market data, powerful charting tools, low-cost trades, and a slick mobile/desktop interface. Money. K+1, it's targeted more toward people who are active or intermediate traders and who want to look under the hood of markets. But Moomoo's account types and asset classes are a bit more limited than full brokerage giants, and its global market access may lag behind some competitors. HelloSafe thus, for someone who loves analyzing charts, trading frequently, or wants more sophisticated tools with low cost, Moomoo stands out. So, to sum up, if you're a beginner, prioritizing simplicity and ease of use, and want to invest slowly and steadily, choose Wealthsimple. If you want a balance between DIY investing in serious tools, flexibility in account types, and don't mind a steeper learning curve, go with Questrade. And if you're an active trader or someone who wants advanced tools, data, and low-cost trading, Moomoo is likely your best match. Your best choice depends on your investing style, how frequently you'll trade, how much you'll use advanced features, how comfortable you are with complexity, and what your long-term goals are. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Wealthsimple, Questrade, or Moomoo, or are considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of investing platforms and financial tools.